No light make Dave grumpy grumpy. Dave won't be happy happy. Dave's going to install some lights. Greetings humans, this is Dave, and I am in my shop here, and I'm going to take a page out of Adam Savage's playbook. And he says if you come to your shop and you don't really know what to do, make some shop improvements. So that's what I'm doing today. The improvements today are to run some new lights. So this is my shop. This is where I do all my creative physical work. I just installed this bench here for doing painting. And then this is my main crafting desk. And it's perfectly serviceable, but it is just a random room in my basement. This is my furnace. Hello, furnace. That's my water. That's my laundry room. And I've just been making do with the bits that are here because it's just a random basement. So what I want to do is add some lights. And what kicked this off is that I got a new 3D printer. The problem is that this comes with a lovely power plug. This power plug right here. But it has nowhere to go. There is no power anywhere on this wall. And I don't want to run an extension cord, so I am going to run it myself. Another thing you may notice is that there's only one light that lights my area. And if it's a very spotlight effect, I don't have much light for the paint area, and the craft area just has one light that's directly overhead, and it causes some shadows. I'm going to install a light here, here, and then one way over there. So we have this nice cross light that comes in, so the light will come from both sides no matter where I'm sitting, but will improve my videos. It will also just make my life better when I'm actually creating. So I'm going to head over to the hardware store, which is over there, about a couple miles, pick up some equipment, and I'll be back in a bit. It works! Yay! So that's it so far. As you can see, I have 3 lights set up. They are not my preferred light bulbs. They're just stand-ins. I have the preferred light bulbs on order. So a day has passed and I finally got my shipment of light bulbs in. My temporary light bulb space was these 10 watt LED bulbs, which are the 60 watt incandescent equivalents. My preferred bulb is this bad boy, which is 60 watts of LED power. I think it's like 600 watts of incandescent, something like that. Massive improvement in light, and the surface area is much higher, which is nice because it gives a nice diffuse light for all the things I need to do. So I'm going to go swap these out and we'll see what the difference in light actually is. So that's it. I'm going to call this one a success. Certainly a lot brighter in here. See you next time.